In this chapter, we talk about switch case. Okay. Um, so let's take an example. We have the code for the day code. We have a day code here. Day code can be 0 to 6. So that means 0 will be Sunday, 1 will be Monday, 2 will be Tuesday. Like this it will go on, and for the 6 this will be Saturday. So if we receive day code as 0, then we print Sunday. If day code is 1, then we print Monday. Day code is 2, then we print Tuesday. So like this it will go on, and it will print 6. It will print Saturday for the code 6. Okay, let's take an example for 4. If day code is 4, it go and print 4 for Thursday. So we write a program example for the switch case like this for the code 0 to 6 and the respective day for the code. Okay. So here you can see in this switch case, so we have an expression switch. Switch expression, and we have case here, case x colon is a code block for x. This is break. Then we have code y, code block is a case y. Then we have break. Then so on. You can write any number of cases you want based on requirement. Then comes the last case, or default case we call it. This is default. So this is default case. So default, then no break needed, close the bracket. So now whenever the controller comes here in the switch, it checks for the expression. This can be anything. This can be a integer, say for example integer x. It can be expression. So this check for the expression and the value of this expression. Based on this value, it will jump to particular case. Say for example, if case is x, it jumps to the case x, and it executes all the code blocks related to case x. Then break. Break means it directly goes end of the switch case. Okay, like this. Say for example, or if expression returns value y, it jumps to the directly to case y, then executes all the code blocks related to code y, then break. It come across break. When it come across break, it directly jumps to the, from break it will directly jump to the end of the switch. So if you don't write break here, then it executes the next case also and next code block also until it reaches break or it reaches end of the switches. So that's how it executes. That's why break is important here. So code for the case, the respective code and the break. Like this we have to write any number of cases you can write. And finally this default is not 100% mandatory, but is important to write default statement here in the switch. Default and the respective code block for the default, then no break needed because we already at the end of the statement, end of the switch case. So directly it executes here. So if nothing matches, when expression nothing matches with any cases, it directly jumps. If expression is not x, not y, it directly jumps to the default, then executes the respective code block, then it enters end of the switch case, and no break needed because we are already at the end of the flower bracket. So that is how this switch expression works, switch cases works. And we take an example for this switch case. So this is the example. So this is an example here. You can see we need to so as it showing, so 0 to 7, 0 meaning Sunday, and it increase Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and till 6. 0 to 6 means 6 means Saturday, like this. So we'll write the switch case for this 0 to 7, 0 being Sunday and 6 being Saturday, like this. So you can see I have declared a day code, and day code is 4 here. Switching to day code, and we have some set of example here for each cases. Respective day is there. So for case 0, Sunday will be printing like this. For case 1, Monday, like this. It goes on and it will print Saturday for the 6. Okay, it will check for the day code. Here in this example, day code is 4, so it will go and print Thursday. You can see the output is Thursday, and once it's done, it breaks and it goes to the end of the statement, end of the switch case. So here you can see no default because we don't require a default here. So default is commented. I have not added any default here for this switch case. Thank you.